But here is a look at the flood watch that's in place right now. The flood watch still does include Kaufman, Hunt County towards the east, and this is for an additional 2 to 3 inches or even higher in some areas through Tuesday morning. So we'll be watching that closely. Here is a look at what Beryl is doing right now. Now, these are the outer bands still bringing in some rainfall for areas even to the west of I-35. And that's really moving from north to south because it's following this counterclockwise motion that comes with tropical activity. So we'll be watching that. Meanwhile, the heaviest rain by far is in far east Texas to the east of Tyler into Louisiana. That's where the flood warnings and the tornado warnings are also in place because you do see that sometimes with tropical systems. We are just seeing the light to moderate rainfall, but even some downpours moving into areas of northwestern Tarrant County now, just to the south of Wise County. South of Rome is where we're seeing that. I haven't seen too much in the way of lightning, but not completely ruling that out either. Weatherford right now 77 degrees, but with a heat index of 79. Tropical moisture is nearby. That means our humidity is high, and you'll definitely feel that here as we approach, say, the afternoon and evening time frame when we start to see a lot of this rain kind of dwindle away. So still considered a tropical storm. Beryl has max sustained winds of 45 miles per hour with the 60-mile-per-hour wind gust, and that's really found on the eye wall, or what's left of it here, which is really just south of Tyler. It's actually 80 miles southeast of Tyler. And this morning, Beryl making a landfall. It was actually the third landfall in its history because the first landfall happened a week ago today in the Windward Islands as a Category 4 storm. But this morning it was a Category 1 as it made landfall just after 4 this morning. So here's what it'll look like. This is here in the next hour or two. You'll see that heavy rain still continuing. There's the track. The track continues in East Texas. That's Monday now around 9. And notice how that rain tapers off from west to east as the overnight falls. And we'll see this rain pushing into areas of northeast Texas into southern Arkansas. That's now just after midnight, likely weakening to a tropical depression here overnight, just because land generally weakens a lot of these tropical systems. Here's how much more rain we could see. It's not a lot, less than 1/4 of an inch. Most of us will see less than 1/10 of an inch, so 1/4 of an inch is generous at this point. Areas in Kaufman, Hunt County could see close to about 1 inch of rainfall. Higher, drastically higher, the more east you go. If you're in Tyler or anywhere in East Texas, over 3 inches of rainfall will be possible here really through the overnight as that rain kind of tapers off. So I'm going to show you the track again, but I want to show you the winds, the wind gusts here across DFW, less than 20-mile-per-hour wind gusts through 7. But look, the closer you are to the center, 40, 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts, and that track continues to the northeast, and that's where we'll see the highest wind gusts. We see lighter winds as the evening progresses and into the overnight as well. So after tonight, we're going to see a drying trend and high pressure moving right back over Texas. Typical summertime pattern returns for us, and that just means our temperatures are cranking up. We're talking mid-90s Wednesday, upper 90s come Saturday and Sunday, with temperatures in the upper 90s. But as far as the humidity goes, that's also staying in place. So the heat index will likely be in the triple digits as we approach the end of the week. So tonight, 72 is what we drop to. We're going to see that cloud cover clear out as the rain moves to the northeast. It'll be breezy at times, but not really picking up any strong wind gusts. Rain, again, ending. 91 for the high tomorrow. We'll see more sunshine. 94 on Wednesday, 95 on Thursday, and that temperature just keeps on climbing as we approach the weekend and even into next week. Next week, those temperatures still climbing. We're talking triple digits, not just one on Tuesday, but looking at a few more come Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.